Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix heating problem in Android while gaming. If your Android device heats up excessively while gaming, it could be due to various factors such as high performance demand, software optimization, or environmental conditions. Here are several steps you can take to reduce heating while gaming. First method, having too many apps running in the background can increase CPU and RAM usage, leading to overheating. Close unnecessary background apps by swiping the bottom corner of the screen. Then swipe upwards on your apps that you want to close. Next method, disable or limit background services. Services like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services can run in the background and cause the devices to heat up. Turn off unnecessary services when gaming by swiping from the top corner of the screen to go to Control Panel, and disable the location, Wi-Fi, and mobile data. Next method, enable battery saver or performance mode. Go to Settings, Battery, then enable battery saver to limit background activities and power-hungry processes. Another method, play in cool environment. Avoid playing games in hot or humid environments as the external temperature can contribute to the device overheating. Play in well-ventilated or air-conditioned space to help keep your phone cool. Another method, avoid charging while gaming. Playing games while your device is charging can cause it to overheat. If possible, wait until your phone is fully charged before gaming, or unplug it once the battery level is sufficient. Another method, remove phone case during gaming. Some phone cases trap heat and prevent proper heat dissipation. Remove the case while gaming to allow better airflow around the device. Last method, limit screen brightness. High screen brightness contributes to battery drain and heat. Reduce the screen brightness by going to Settings, Display, Brightness, and lower the level or use adaptive brightness to adjust it automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.